Good morning, students. So, we are dealing with the chapter The Real Companions, where we are learning about the friendship and we are also learning how to make it out that there are lots of friends, but how to make it out which one is your true friend and others are the fake one. So, this chapter will give you some idea how to find out, and we have learned just now about the 8 characteristics which will help you to know about the true companion of your life. And we can see that real friend is very important in our life, isn't it? The presence of real friend makes a difference in one's life, isn't it? Now, there is a story waiting for you that titles True Friendship, and there are some characters which are really waiting and dying to tell the story to you or share the story with you. So let's see what is the story all about and what these characters have to tell. So before starting the story, children, let's meet the characters. I, your narrator, as always. Hi, I am Ankit. Hi, I am Pulkit. We are best friends. We are best friends. Okay, children. So there's Ankit and there's a Pulkit who are very best friends, and they live in Madhopur, a village in Bihar. So I think these two friends have to tell something about friendship, and they want to share their some story which dealt about the friendship with you. Let's see what happened. You are so rich, but I'm so poor. Oh, what rubbish! Such stupid things would affect our friendship, dear. We are very good friends. These all are very silly things. Okay, now have you seen this friends? They are, one is from a good society, it's kind of rich person, and the other belongs from the middle class society who is not so rich comparative to his friend. But have you seen this? This is what a friendship all about. There's such small things: rich, poor, uh, perfect person, not perfect, fashionable, unfashionable. These things doesn't make any difference in a true friendship. So similarly, here also we have seen that such thing didn't affect the friendship, isn't it? Now let's see what happens in this school. In a school, they are studying in the same school and same class, and both are as studying in the same class, and both are very good student as well. They are very brilliant and intelligent students, and I think they are loved by their others classmates as well as teachers too. Now let's see what happens. So these two friends, Ankit and Pulkit, they went into the class, and let's see how everyone reacted towards it. Okay. See, two best friends are there. Oh, they look just so good together. Yeah. Aye. So nice friends. Oh, yeah. Good friends. Yeah. I like the friends. But I don't like the friendship. I will do something to break it. As I'm sucker, I won't let this happen. I don't like it, okay? Oh my god, children, have you seen the other classmates? They are really liking their friendship and they're happy and proud of having such good friends and boys in their class. But there's one character in the story whose name is Sakal, and he is not liking the friendship. He is like a villain in the story who, and villain always against the heroes, and these two are the heroes of our story, and this villain is against them and he wants to break the friendship as character of a villain. He is always against doing something wrong. Let's see what he does and how it is failed. Okay, let's see. I don't have geometry box. Can you lend me? What nonsense. Will I say no to you? Never. Take it, friend. Oh, thank you, dear. Okay, I'll do something. Ha ha. Oh my god. Now have you seen the villain is always trying to make out or find out something which they can make it or which they can use as a weapon. Now here he has seen that two friends exchanging the Dimitri box, and he thought ki chalo, this is the best way to take this thing and make a scene. Now children, I also want to tell you that true friends always help each other in the time of need. Now there was a need of a geometry box in the class and one didn't have, the other had it, so he is always ready to help the friend. This is what the true friends all about. They are always ready to help each other. Now let's see what is Sakal up to, as we should not distract from Sakal, isn't it? He is very dangerous. Oh god, let's see. Oh, what a good chance. I'll keep this geometry box in my bag. No friendship. Everything is over. seen the Sakal, what he has done? How cheap thing he has done? He has taken that geometry box and he's going to keep it with himself in his bag. And during that time when he was committing such kind of a stupid crime, the children went to assembly hall to attend the assembly. And after doing all the stupid things, he himself went to attend the assembly hall, so no one can make it out that he was the one. And children, let me tell you one thing, this geometry box was very special for the boy, because he got it from his uncle who was staying in US, and he gifted him. And as things when you get from your like family members who are somewhat living in foreign, you feel that that gift is very precious, because they are something very preciously made, and he really liked it. And he knew this, Sakal knew this, that Ankit liked it, and he has given that to Pulkit, and he has want to make something out of it, so he used it. Oh God, let's see. Now it's the first class, I mean first period, which is the maths class. And children, it's a geometry box maths class. They both are like going together. Now let's see what's happened in this maths class. Oh my God, I'm very tensed. Good morning, class. Surprise test. All of you take out the test copies and geometry box. Oh my God, what the teacher has said, geometry box. Let's see what happens. And see this boy, Sakal. Now. Ha 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 ha. Oh God, have you heard what he was saying? Oh God, let's see what's going to happen. Pulkit, give my box, dear. Oh, sure, dear. What happened, Pulkit? Oh, where is the box? I kept it here only. I'm not getting it. Oh, what's happening? Yes, don't talk. Why you two are talking? What? What? Oh no, the box is lost. The box is lost. What happened? What happened? Now, children, have you seen the box? Obviously it's not there in the Pulkit's bag, because it was being taken out by the Sakal, and as it is demanded by Ankit from Pulkit, they could not see. And the teacher has seen them talking, and she asked what happened, what's happened, and others in the class are discussing what's happened. Now the Pulkit told the whole and children, what happened after this incident, they told the thing to the Pulkit. He told the thing to teacher that he, while coming from home, he kept the box in his bag, and he was very sure, because he has kept the box in the bag and he is very sure the thing is there, but it is not found. So he told the thing to the teacher. And after listening to the whole story, the teacher decided that um, teacher, after listening, has decided that bags checking to be done to find out the culprit. She told that this is the only way, and before doing this checking, she asked Pulkit that, do you have any idea or any sense that who might have done this? He said, no teacher, I don't have any idea about it. Then she told, okay fine, no issues, there's only way to find out the culprit, that's the bags checking. Now I think there's a discussion going on something. Let's listen what they are saying. Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, yes, ma'am. Let's find out who has done. But ma'am, others can also have the same kind of box. Not only the Ankit can have. What to do? What to do? What to do? Yeah, he's correct. He's correct. Yes, ma'am. But my box has letter A written, as I wrote it one day when I was studying. Oh, that's really good. This can help us to identify the box. Oh God, have you seen the class? I made a visit. Did you all made a visit with me in the class? Have you seen that there was a discussion that how to find, and this boy is also very correct that others can also have the same kind of box, which it's not only his families or someone is there in foreign, someone else can also have. Then he's done a very smart thing. Have you seen that he's written a letter A in the box? This can really help. Now let's see what the teacher has done and what the class has done. Oh my God, whether Sakal is out. Okay, show your bag. Oh, who has taken? Who? Yes, someone might have done. Oh God. Oh, don't talk. Let's have a check. Sakil, show me your bag. Sorry, ma'am, I have ever wanted to break the friendship. Oh, the culprit is caught, children. Have you seen? Now, teacher has explained that true friendship can't be broken with such evil activities. Asked to apologize, and she has asked the Sakhel, the villain, to talk to the other boys and go and say sorry, apologize. Children committing mistakes is not good, but accepting your mistakes and apologizing for that, you are apologize for that, you say sorry for that, you accept, get, as I have done this, that's a very big thing. If you have committed mistake and when you feel that yes, I have done something wrong, you should accept it. That's a very big thing. Okay, and the Sakal, he has also learned that after committing the mistake, he also found out that he has done something wrong, and he has accepted, and in front of the whole class he has said sorry to Ankit and Pulkit. And he also knew that true friendship cannot be broken or cannot be disturbed by such stupid activities. True friends are always true friends. Such activities never affect it. Even this can make the relationship more stronger. So, this is what a true friends all about. And what is the value we have learned? The value is that friendship cannot be destroyed by the evil activities of mankind. This is what a true friendship all about. So look for the best friend and look for your real companion in your life, and be away from the fake one. Okay, thank you.